Okay, now that the drawing is ready for the modeling, the next step is to create layers. Create layers that will target the 3D model. So to create layers, mouse over to the document menu, click on layer, then click the layer settings. The dialog box comes up. In this layer settings, you will notice that the existing layers that came with the AutoCAD drawing are automatically loaded. We are not going to delete this, we'll rather add to them. These layers will be targeting the 2D aspect of this drawing, while the ones we'll be adding will be targeting the 3D modeling. So let's create these layers in a manner that will be in ascending order. That is, it will be logically grouped. 0 wall, 0 roof, sorry, too much zeros there. 0 door, 0 wing, 0 slab, 0 green, 0 AutoCAD. Why 0 AutoCAD? That layer is the layer that is going to target the entire 2D drawing, apart from the individual layers, such that I can also turn off that 2D drawing for whatever sake that might come up. Sometimes I might decide to turn it off to see other things more clear, stuffs like that. So this is how you create layers in a logical form that will be grouped in ascending order. You can see that all the layers starting with 0 are, at the beginning, while these other layers are following up. So this you can have, it's so clean up. You see, you can see your layers in ascending order. And the layer system here works like this. You can actually turn off layers here, or even lock up some layers. You can click on it, it will unlock, click on it, and it will be turned on again. You can also delete layers and add new layers at any point in time. For those of you that are familiar with AutoCAD, I think this should not be a new thing. So let's click OK now to load those layers into the drawing. So this is how you basically create layers. So in the next topic now, we should be creating the walling aspect of the 3D.